There's two Carolina Ascent defenders sitting out there just in case they go short. Sends it into the box and a header out of the box. Piper's on it. Feeds it back out to Ellis. Loose ball. And that's a goal for Tormenta. Ellis Bussy. Carolina jumps on that loose ball. And they've got an opportunity on their hands. Feeds that one into the penalty area. And Jenna Moran there with a great save. Still holds possession of that ball. Feeds it back to Piper. Piper Bezorek throws into the box. Right to Courtney Chokel's head and over to the hands of the goalkeeper. Carolina Ascent finds Nicole Poole open on the right side of the field, and she had some space to work with, so she fed that one in the box. Initially cleared out to win the first ball and the second ball. They're going to turn this one into an offensive opportunity for themselves as they march down the field here. Shot straight to Jenna Moran. Captain, you have an opportunity here for Tormenta FC deep in the offensive third. Piper Zorg with a trap there over to Courtney Chokel inside the box, and she scores! And Brandy Eads sends this one up for Alice Bussy. Over the keeper and into the goal. Brandy Eads with a goal from midline. And that's the final whistle. Tormenta 3, Carolina United 2. Thanks for joining in, everybody.